Highs in the upper 80s. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of rain. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for East Central St. Mary's County in southern Maryland until 1:15 a.m. Tuesday. At 7:11 p.m., the water level along the St. Mary's River around Great Mills continues to rise past flood stage. The water level is approaching 8 feet. At 8 feet, Indian Bridge Road begins to flood and flooding becomes more widespread around Great Mills. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lexington Park, St. Mary's City, St. Mary's River, California, Great Mills, Drayton, and Callaway. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.